Hello, namaste. I hope you're all doing well. Before I start, let me introduce you to my little one. He's my son and he's 8 months old and his name is Adoy Basra. Today I'm making this vlog on the new purchase of the new product, I would say, and it is completely different than what I used to have and the test I had. This is the multi-effect processor that I recently bought, and before that, I'm fond of Boss products. This time I completely changed my test, and it is because like I was looking for the new processor, and I was especially looking for Boss product. It could be like GT series or GX. But when I went through this YouTube and websites, I found completely new product, and the videos that I saw and the product itself and the build within it attracted me, and I finally thought of purchasing that new product. And I bought that product from Jam Corner and Music Store, which is located at Lalitpur, Imadol. And I'm very excited with that, and I haven't used it yet, and I will have to unbox it in front of you. So before that, I will take you through the products that I have been using, the processors, my loop station, and my guitars and everything. And then after, I will unbox that new multi-effect that I have now. Okay, alright, let me take you through the processors, effects, and the stuff that I use. And now the very first one is here. This is the AX5Z by Korg. This is not a Boss. And I bought this around 17 years back. I still use it because some of the effects are very good, and I really like it, and it's still working. Now that I have is the Boss synthesizer, Boss Reverb, compression sustainer, and this one is not by Boss. This is by Singular Sound, and this one is Big Buddy. Amazing stump box. The drum machine is so good, and I really enjoy playing myself when I am alone, and I practice by myself, and this one works very well. So, and then I have this Boss ME70. I really like this, and when I use this, I feel like I'm using the analog processors, and I feel like the sound is still so good. I have Vocal Harmonies by Boss VE2, and then I have this loop station RC300. Likewise, I have my acoustic guitar and my Gibson guitar and my Orange. I love the sound. This is a very good one. Let's go back to the new processor that I have. I hope. Okay, finally here it is. The Valitron GP200R. I bought this. Keeping aside Boss for some time, and let's see how it works and if it is good and enjoyable and passes out. It is good. Okay, so let's unbox this. It is not sealed or taped. Ooh, red, very good color. Let's see what here. This is the adapter. This is the USB. Quite heavy. Okay, here is it. Here it is, the Raid Valitron GP200R. With nice color. Oh, they have peaks as well. Nice orange peaks. Let me show you the sample now. Okay, here is this Valitron GP200R. Let me turn it on. Ooh. Here is the looper. Here is the tuner. Let's press this and tune the guitar first. Okay, tuning is done. The first patch is 01A. It's GP200. I think there's all together. This is the bank going down. This is for up. Altogether, I think they have 2, 3, 4. Oh, they have lots of patches. Okay, I think it's GP200. Everything is GP200. That means it is blank. So they have 25 different patches, which means 100 different patches they have. Now let's go back to the number one. If you want to know more about this product, you can go to Valiton's official website. They will be guiding you about these knobs and the keys and these keys or this press, so you'll know everything about from them. So let's go with GP200, how it sounds like. Nice. Let's see what this control works for. I think it adds gain and the additional amp version, something like that. Nice. There are so many stuffs here, so I won't take you through all of this. I think this one sounds nice. Great sustain. Oops. Very nice sustain. Okay, I can't go with all those 100 patches. I hope you liked it, and very soon I will be showing some videos using this GP200R, and I hope you like it. And before I close, please make sure you like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that I feel encouraged to produce some more nice musics for you. Okay, cheers, bye.